Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making safe, targeted checks. Unplug the charger and remove the battery, then place the unit on a non-conductive mat. Using a multimeter, probe the AC input and the low-voltage DC output so you know what the charger should be producing. This tells you whether the fault is before or after the transformer. Once you have those numbers, open the plastic case carefully, noting screw locations and clips, and photograph layouts so you can reassemble without guessing. Once opened, you methodically test key components. Diodes, rectifier bridge, and electrochemical capacitors often fail. Use diode mode and capacitance checks to find bad parts. If a capacitor is bulged or a resistor is black, replace it with the same value and voltage rating. Polarity matters on electrolytics, so observe markings. Next, inspect every solder joint and reflow any cold-looking connections. A loose wire or dry joint can interrupt charging even if parts test okay. After repairs, remeasure outputs before closing. You finish by reassembling the case, ensuring no pinched wires, then reconnect and test using a known good battery so you isolate charger performance from battery faults. If it still refuses to charge, swap batteries or apply a controlled load to reveal whether the issue is the pack or the charger circuitry. If intermittent, monitor temperature and voltages during the first charge. Make sure protective covers and insulation are in place. Troubleshooting tip: if LED behavior is odd, check the sense line and any thermistor. Those small parts often cause false faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.